Oh my god. Y'all, I know. Pause. I was this close to deleting all of this and not posting it because of how embarrassing this laundry room is. Just please be nice. Do not be rude in the comments and know that we're all doing our best here. Thank you. Oh, it's bad. I know. We're gonna work on it right now. Let's go. First thing I'm doing, I'm switching washer to the dryer. Anyone else have to go on their tiptoes to get everything at the bottom of the wash? Because they're short, like me. All right, and now I'm gonna put the dirty clothes into the washer. All right, washer and dryer are both going. Now I'm going to clean the outsides of them. I'm gonna take all this off. All right, right off the bat, we're looking a little bit better. Just don't zoom out. Okay, you zoomed out. I bought this like a year ago, 6 months to a year ago, and never put them up. So let's put this up first and get it out of the way. There. Actually, it's been here so long, it needs to be dusted off first. Okay, much better. Now let's hang it up. So to be honest, I'm not really a nail and hammer girly. I'm a thumbtack and hope for the best, but we're out of thumbtacks. Also, I don't know where the hammer is, so we're gonna start off with the middle one first so we can build off of it. I'm gonna eyeball that that's centered. Ta-da! It's a little crooked. Ready. Close enough. Okay, last one. It's too low. Oh my god, it's still too low. Oh my god. She's fine. I feel like maybe you can't even tell from this angle, like when you walk in. You tell me. Can you tell? Okay, yeah, it's right. I fixed it. It looks good. It looks fine. I'm done. I've got other things I need to worry about now. I'm gonna put whatever I can into baskets so that it's at least not thrown all over the floor. Oh my god, you scared me.
You're creating a video. God.
Look what I did. Don't. I know. That's what I said. Oh, look. Okay. You want to guess how many times it took me to get it right?
3 times.
3 times. 5.
5 times. We got there. That's all that matters.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, love. Right, and there it is. We're all done for today. It's not perfect, but the goal is never to be perfect. It's just to make it better than it was, and it is about 45 minutes better than it was when we started. This is actually really cute. I'm so happy. I hope this inspires you to make a room in your house just a little bit better, not perfect, but better. Always working on progress, not perfection. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.